Detail world, what it do, man. Hope you having a great day on this glorious day, man. Weather's still a little cold out here. The high today only gonna get up to like 49 to 51 degrees. But if you look, the sky is clear compared to yesterday. And you see the sun,
it would turn into sunshine.
She shining. But we back at this stop doing this Land Rover Defender 110. If you love it, I love this car. It's like a champagne gold color car. You know what I mean? Very nice color. And then it got the little wrap right here. Even though I'm seeing it already getting sun damage. And then, you know, it's like a utility vehicle for real. Got the little area up top, look like you put surfboards and things like that. But already working on the other side. Already got the wheels already clean. I'm about to go ahead and work on this exterior real quick while I got the sun shining. But like always, man, we dedicated out here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you dedicated no matter what you're doing, man. Everything take a little bit of time, man. No matter what you're doing, just take your time. Have a little bit of patience, man. Because, you know, sometimes, you know, you rush things in life. You feel as though, man, it's not working. You know, my life is inadequate. But you got to remember, man, love yours, man. J. Cole said it best because no matter what's going on in your life, man, and no matter what you see going on in other people's life, your life is your life, and the decisions that we make is what create our life. So if you feel as though you're making bad decisions, or you feel as though the decisions that you're making is not helping you get to where you get, man, start looking for a mentor. And that's one thing I'm keeping it real. I'm 41 years old and I'm still looking for a mentor. I'm looking for somebody to help me elevate to the next level, help me get to somewhere that I want to be, man, because I know I need to be much further than where I'm at. And, you know, it's just some of the choices that I made over life. You know, I didn't make a lot of great decisions, you know, and it took me till I was 30-some years old to start getting my shit together. But regardless of that, I'm over here doing my thing. Like I said, we got 2 more appointments for the day. A lot of my customers are on spring break. I already got the match out over there. If you see, the match already out. Last night we went to do an episode around Nashville. We went to the pub down there in the Gulch, and this Thursday we'll be going back to Bud and Boo for comedy night. But like always, man, do what you gotta do, or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. You do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. Stay positive, stay motivated, man, and remember, you gotta get around people that have what you want, man. Contagiousness, just like laughing and sneezing and scratching is get contagious. Be around somebody that's always talking about money and positivity and things that you know that you want in your life. And on that note, things will change, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We got this Land Rover Defender completely done in and out. We got the whole car looking good. We definitely gonna be happy with the services. But let me give you a quick glimpse of the interior. Remember, it had cigarette ashes everywhere, but we got all the cigarette ashes completely out. Right down the console, windows, mirrors, things like that. But we're about to head to the next stop. Not sure how far the next stop is exactly from where I'm from, so I'm about to go ahead and put it in the GPS, see how far I gotta travel and get there. But like always, man, we stay dedicated over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. You dedicated to whatever you're doing, and like that, we're gonna catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do. We done made it to the second stop right here, still in Belmead, Tennessee. Not too far. We was literally like 7 minutes from the first appointment. But right now, we're about to do a detail on this Infiniti QX50, and we about to go ahead and do an interior detail on the inside. Right now, we already got the utensils already out with the bucket, but if you look at here, it need a little cleaning, man. Hold on, let me lighten the camera. You know, so we gotta go in here and hit it up, stuff like that. But you see the carpet, not really that bad. It's really just up there in the front how dirty it is. But other than that, man, we're gonna go ahead and knock it out so I get to my last point. I got things I need to do today. I got somebody, like I said, one of the comedians I met from the show. She invited me to one of her comedian shows and things like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, man. And on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Hey. Detail world, what it do, man. We done finally finished this Infiniti QX60, man. We got the car completely done. And well, I did say I had one more appointment to do. I'm gonna cancel it so I can go take care of some stuff, man. But she cool with that, so I got a schedule for tomorrow. But we about to go ahead and head out, head home, change the clothes, take a shower, do those necessities. But today is a blessed day, man. See the weather, looks great. You know what I mean? It was cold as hell. This one was like 20-something degrees. Now it's up to like 50-something. But I'm gonna take advantage of this while I can. It was approximately 2:05. Probably get home about 2:45. But on that note, man, be courageous, be brave, man. You know what I mean? Have that determination. Find your ambition. Stay consistent, realistic, and persistent. And like always, man, do what you gotta do. And I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. One love, love thyself, and peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.